Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp mayonnaise. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring everything is fresh and chilled. You will need about 1 pound of cooked shrimp and 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise. Next, prepare your shrimp by chopping it into small, uniform pieces. Finally, have your seasonings ready, such as fresh lemon juice and your favorite herbs, to enhance the flavor profile. To prepare your shrimp, start by peeling and deveining about 1 pound of fresh shrimp. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then add the shrimp and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and opaque. Immediately transfer the cooked shrimp to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Once chilled, pat the shrimp completely dry with paper towels before moving on to chopping. Now, let's craft the delicious mayonnaise base. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of your preferred mayonnaise with your chosen seasonings. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for a bright, zesty kick. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper for a subtle warmth. Finally, fold in 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped dill or another herb like chives for an aromatic touch. With your shrimp and mayonnaise base ready, it's time to combine them. Gently fold the chopped, dried shrimp into the seasoned mayonnaise mixture until everything is well incorporated. Avoid overmixing to maintain the shrimp's texture. Cover the bowl and chill the shrimp mayonnaise in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Serve it on crisp toast points, in fresh lettuce cups, or as a sandwich filling, garnished with a sprig of fresh parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.